So I just bought a Cybertruck to see how much money I can make with it on TikTok. The way we're gonna do this is with TikTok Shop Affiliate, essentially where you can review products on TikTok and get paid whenever you get a sale. We're gonna use the interior of this thing, which is honestly not too bad because this is brand new. Everyone's looking at this thing. It's kind of awkward. As we're recording this, people are staring at us. So let's try to see if we can make $1 million. All right, that's kind of a stretch, but I guess we'll see how much we'll make. Now, you don't need a Cybertruck to promote products like this on TikTok Shop Affiliate. There's so many different things to do. But if you want the best chances of going viral, hell yeah, we're gonna use this thing. The goal is we pay for the car using TikTok Shop Affiliate, so we get a free car basically. Plus, we get a ton of money to go alongside that. I mean, not too bad. And it's just super clean. Like, look in the back seat. This thing is massive. Absolutely huge. So let's actually record some videos and then I'll show you guys how much money we make on each of the videos. And yeah, this is the first product. Dude, you have a small dick. And they're sitting there. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, you schmucks. So this is the first product we're gonna do. And yeah, this is the actual listing for it. So it sells for 13 bucks, 15% commission. It's all right, it's decent. Like usually I'm shooting for 20 to 30%, but we'll take 15. So for every person that buys one of these off of my video, I'm gonna make $1.95. Doesn't seem like a lot, but let me tell you, that stuff adds up. So if your car has a dashboard that looks like this, you're in trouble. Because I just got the Cybertruck and I realized I can't put my phone here. It just falls on the ground. But now I see why everyone's buying this thing from the TikTok shop. You can just stick it in the corner, slap it down, bada bing, bada boom. Boom, see that? Under the leg. Watch it again. Boom, basketball, baby. Plug this in. So that hook was a banger because I'm calling out people that have a dashboard that when they try to put their phone on it, it just falls down. So now that we've reached the target audience, plus they're like, yo, what? This dude's in a Cybertruck, right? We hooked them in, right? We need something visually captivating, Cybertruck. Then we need something to relate back to them, right? Phone falling when you try to put it on the dashboard. Bada bing, bada boom, we got the solution, baby. So let's record the rest of this thing. That was an IQ play. Yo, look at that dude. Look at, put the camera, look at that dude. He's just chilling. My guy is vibing. Yo.
That's disrespectful.
What do you mean disrespectful? That's sick. You just take the phone, stick it right here, automatically closes and starts charging. So now when I'm driving, I got my tablet plus my phone right there. It's amazing. Not to mention this thing can turn sideways, just like that. But now I see why everyone's buying this thing from the TikTok shop. You can just stick it in the corner. Yep, so we said, now I see why everyone's buying this thing from the TikTok shop. That way, throughout the entire video, they're thinking about it. Like, oh, this guy got this on the TikTok shop. Now they're not going to Amazon, not going to Temu, not going to eBay. You're essentially making sure they know where to get this thing. But we still have to lock in the deal. So now that we talked about the product, the features, showed it off, now we actually have to lock in the deal, right? Make sure that they buy it from us, not Temu. So I'm gonna do a little call to action. We gotta add some humor in there. That way it's funny. I'm gonna say something. Yeah, I have an idea. And then I'm gonna tell them where to get this thing and why it's so cheap right now. But let's say it's time for Pilates. You gotta get out of here. Press this little button, bada bing, bada boom, phone comes right out. Crazy how this thing's free shipping too. If you wanna grab one, I'll leave the link right down there. I'm not gonna lie, that first video was pretty fun to make. So we're gonna edit the video now. And honestly, this takes 2 seconds. We're gonna do a speed edit. So we're gonna fast forward this, but just watch how simple this is. It takes 5 minutes, not even. Boom, just like that, we got a video done. So this video is what we call a certified banger. So for the hashtags, make sure it has something to do with what you're posting, right? So for example, this is all about cars, car gadgets, everything like that. So I did cars of TikTok, car gadgets, Cybertruck, car talk, Tesla, you get the vibe. In terms of the cover, you can see in the top right, we have the cover. It's like never drop your phone again. Make sure that you go to add link, add in the product, right? So we have the product added. And as you can see, in this little preview here, we can see bottom left, that's where it is. That's all we're doing. So for a few days, we're just gonna post videos every single day with the Cybertruck and see how much money we can make. So now that we added the product, we're just gonna post this bad boy. And there we go. That's first video down. Hopefully this one makes us $1 million. That'd be cool. Probably not, but I guess we'll see. This car costs about $100,000. And I only had to put down like 5.7K. Right, like about 5% of the actual car. The monthly payments are about $1,600, so it's not too shabby. Insurance is like $350, so I'm all in about $2K a month on this car. That's not too bad. So as long as we're making at least $2K a month from TikTok Shop Affiliate using this car, we're practically driving it for free. It's like a life hack, it really is, and you can't really do this with anything else. I'm not gonna rent this thing. I got the burps. I'm not gonna rent this thing out. Right? I don't want to pay for the damn thing because I like free stuff. So we're just going to make videos in it. The video took what would you say, like 15 minutes? And obviously we want to make more money than that. The goal would be using this car, if we can make 10 to 20,000 a month profit, That'd be pretty damn nice. So we're gonna make that happen. We did it before with the Corvette. If you see my past videos, that Corvette has racked in, oh my God, I don't know how much money, maybe 100K so far. It is insane. If you have a nice car, it will pay for itself with TikTok Shop Affiliate, and you'll be able to survive. Like, it pays for your rent, your food, your water, your kids, your mom, your dog, your car. You get the point. It pays for a lot of stuff. We're gonna get this thing on the road, and yeah, I'll keep you all posted on how much money we make, but let's go record some more videos. So we're back at the crib. This is a little tour. You can zoom out, yeah. Get the full picture. This is the new spot. I had just moved like a couple weeks ago. But anyways, so we just posted the next TikTok. We posted 2 today total. It was a slow day, I'm not gonna lie. My girlfriend's here, she's recording, she's absolutely awesome. Went out to dinner, recorded some TikToks, made some money, you know the vibe. But here, come here. I wanna show you the next video. This is the first video, we posted this. So if your car has a dashboard. 2 hours ago, about 300 views, all right. Hoping it can get up to these numbers, right? Most of the videos anywhere between 2K, 3K, sometimes they'll go viral, 200K, not too shabby. Yeah, so this one we just posted it like, say a girl hops in the car, 6 minutes ago. It's doing pretty good so far, but yeah, take a look at this one, not too bad. Say a girl hops in the car and she's begging to Netflix and chill. In a Cybertruck, you can do that, but in most cars you can't. But luckily, this thing from the TikTok shop allows you to watch Netflix and YouTube as long as you got Apple CarPlay. We're gonna keep posting videos in this Cybertruck, right? Sometimes we'll use it as the hook, and then we'll go to the Corvette. Sometimes we'll make the whole video in the Cybertruck, and yeah, so we'll keep you posted. I'm gonna keep posting every day. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Okay, you can stop recording. What's this letter I read? If you like pina coladas. So we are officially out here at a park. It is officially day 2. I'm alone this time in the Cybertruck. So a little trick that I do is all the content that I make, I'm pretending that it's gonna hit 10 million views. So it needs to be the same quality as a video that would hit 10 million views. So we ain't rushing this. We're doing quality over quantity, and trust me, it's gonna pay off. So we're about to record some content, and the thing is we're gonna use a lot of strategies, a lot of psychology. We're going to make these videos bangers. How do you do that? How do you do that? You need to have the skills to pay the bills. And oh, what is this? I'll explain my phone case. This is TikTok Mastery. That was just a perfect segue. This is actually my community where you guys, 1,000 of you to be specific, are making bread on TikTok. As soon as you join, you get access to all the video courses that we have. We have, I think, 3 total. It's insane. All of them have a bunch of videos, hours and hours of content. Plus, you get to join a community of other people doing TikTok Shop Affiliate. Like, it's a lot more fun when you're doing it with other entrepreneurs. So if you want to give it a shot, you want to join the community, it's 7 days free. I'll leave the link in the description. But anyway, so we just posted the video. It is live on TikTok. There it is. Never lose your wallet again. Something's wrong with this thing. What is that? Oh, that is fire. If you want to check it out, you can go look it up yourself. So yeah, we'll see how this does. Right now it has 0 views, but you know, we've posted 4 videos in the Cybertruck so far. We'll keep you all posted. But on a good note, for tomorrow's videos, we have what, 1, 2, 3, 4 new products that just came in. This one's like a drying towel for your car. You got another car incense, a mirror, some like little storage thingy. One of these videos is gonna pop, and as soon as a product pops off, we just pump out videos on the same product. TikTok loves it. For example, let's say that this wallet goes viral, gets 1 million views, right? What we're gonna do is go to the top comment on the video, reply to it, and then just make another video. And we're gonna do it for like 5 of the comments, because TikTok is gonna promote those videos even more because the first one is going viral. So you just wanna milk the crap out of it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll keep you guys posted, and yeah. All right, peeps, it is like 2 weeks later now. We made a lot of progress. We posted a lot of videos. So I'm excited to go through it and show you all the results. But what's crazy is right after I posted those TikToks and I made this little vlog entry, someone crashed into my other freaking car. And oh man, just take a look at this. So I woke up this morning to a phone call saying that someone just crashed into my car. So there's the car right there pulling out, and watch my car just jiggle. You're gonna feel even worse. Just always remember, you can't control what happens to you. Things are gonna happen. It's life. That's a part of it. The only thing that you can control is your reaction to what happens to you. And if that reaction is pleasant and happy and you see the positive, that's the secret to happiness, y'all. So yeah, I posted that on TikTok. The video blew up and got 1 million views. And if you saw that video and you left a comment, I appreciate your condolences. My baby was punched in the face. So the point is, I gotta go out far, like all the way out there to go drop off the car so that it can get fixed. The guy that crashed into it, he didn't just hit my baby, he hit my moneymaker. Like, that car makes so much freaking money from TikTok Shop. So let me go show you the damage. It's pretty brutal. First off, got the Lamborghini Aventador, I think. So this is what it's supposed to look like, right, on this side. And I guess the dude next to me, he pulls out. Oh my gosh, look at that. Jesus, now there's dirt all over the thing too. Oh, that is disgusting. Oh yeah. Yeah, she still works. Oh, there's another one. Light blue Lambo. Update, we dropped off the car. They said it could be a week, it could be a month. So that broke my heart, but can't complain. I would look like an absolute schmuck if I started complaining that my car is in the shop when I'm sitting in a Cybertruck. So yeah, I'll shut up about that. But I'm about to record a TikTok actually with this product. So 2 weeks ago, we posted this video. I don't know if it's gonna focus, please focus. You got this camera. 189,000 views. Not too shabby, it was this one. You're in trouble, because I just got the Cybertruck and I realized I can't put my phone here. It just falls on the... It actually freaking worked, it popped off, got a good amount of likes too. But it was this product, the same exact one. Here's the thing, right? This one's 11 bucks, and I don't think it was free shipping at the time. It might have been, but it's actually kind of pricey, but I found this same exact product. Yeah, so I posted all these products in the TikTok Mastery Discord this morning, but one of them, this one right here, this one's only $8 with free shipping too. It's popping off right now. So this is a crazy deal. What I realized is when you have a deal on TikTok, it promotes the video so much more. Like, you're gonna get so many more views, so many more sales. It's insane. Make sure you're focusing on deals. And if you can't find deals, once again, all those products I was just showing you, like all these in the notes, I post these inside of the Discord. So if you want to join, links in the description. It's free, dude, or sis, for 7 days. So try it out, see if you like it. But the point is, do deals, because people go to TikTok to watch content, to be entertained, to laugh, to have fun, be freaking goofy and stuff. And some of y'all just go there to watch all these girls just twerking and stuff. They don't go there to find actual products. So when you see a product pop up on your page, it's not just about showing off the cool product. I got stuck in that for a little while, and I almost forgot that the main point is to not only show off the product, yes, get them hooked, make a viral video, but also make a viral video on a product that is discounted. If it's discounted, it's a great deal, great product, it'll sell like crazy. So I forgot to do that for this video. So if your car... The product wasn't too discounted, but because of that, it didn't convert as well as I wanted to. Look, I'll show you the results of this. We only sold 38 of them, 600 bucks in sales for 200,000 views. That is booty. That is so crap. So you can have some perspective, like the next video we posted in the Cybertruck, 900 in sales for only 35,000 views. It just shows you that this converted like ass. So we're gonna go and try to make another video today using the same product, same car, better vibes, and focusing on the discount. And we're gonna see how this does, compared to that. And yeah, let's see where it goes. I'm starting to think they messed up or something, or it's a glitch on the TikTok shop, because it's a really good price. You see that? I went for the approach that it's like a glitch. And by saying something is like a glitch, or the TikTok shop people, they might have messed up, it's being genuine. You're saying like, yo, it's so cheap, I think this is like an accident. And when you do something like that, the viewer thinks like, whoa, like this dude is putting me on, and he actually has a good point. It's crazy cheap. So, I mean, once again, this product was $8 with free shipping. Are you kidding me? That is so cheap. So I'm gonna edit this video real quick. I'll play the final result, but it was super simple. Tell me this isn't a banger. Can someone tell me why this is only $8 when it automatically closes and starts charging your phone? Starting to think they messed up or something, or it's a glitch on the TikTok shop, because it's a really good product that'll literally suction cup to your dashboard. I mean, in 2024, that's the same price as a burrito, but hey, look at this. It opens up when it's unplugged. $8 free shipping if you want to grab it before they figure out this glitch. I'll leave the link to the TikTok shop down there. The main point is that you need to focus on these discounts. Also focus on going viral. Make it entertaining, the hook, the meat and potatoes, call to action, everything we talk about in TikTok Mastery. But at the same time, you also need to get a good product with a good deal. Now the big question is, how much money have we made with the Cybertruck so far? Let's take a look. Keep in mind, before we go into this, I'm still getting the gist of how to use it, what the best angles are, what about it makes it go viral. The Corvette, I already understood. It's like whenever I'm in the interior, people think it's like a Bugatti. So I didn't really have to do much. So you can see August 18th at the bottom, we posted our first video. We got 186,000 views, not too shabby. We took home, what, 60 bucks. You guys already saw this one. It converted like booty, right? $60 profit. That's brutal, right? It's a saturated product, yes, but you can still make money with it. It's just that I chose one of the listings that was too high up there. I didn't realize there were cheaper ones for $8 frickin' bucks. Free shipping plus having a really good discount. If it's cheaper than all the rest of the products, it's gonna kill it. Let's go to the next one, right? This was, I think, I posted this on the same day. What did this, okay, this did a little bit better. So 36,000 views, and from those 36,000 views, almost 1,000 in sales and 143 in profit. Okay, so we're at about 200 bucks profit so far. Not too shabby. In this first day, we already made 200 bucks in a day from posting 2 TikToks. Okay, when you put it like that, that's not too bad. Next one we did was August 19th. It made a total of, what, 80 bucks in sales for 6K views. That's like about average, maybe a little bit less, but you know, 12 bucks profit. Can't complain. Next video, it flopped, got 0. The next one, this one was crazy, man. I was trying to take a girl product because I genuinely got this thing. It's this, right? I still have it. It's like this little freaking mirror thing, right? I bought this for my girlfriend. I'm like, you know what? We'll just make a TikTok shop video. Maybe I can appeal to the men, right? So I tried to like, yo boys, listen, if your girls uses makeup, I did the same strategy. Here's the thing, 100,000 views, 200 in sales. Once again, that's booty, right? A total of 21 bucks profit. 100,000 views and I made 21 bucks. Are you kidding me? That's even worse than the creator rewards program. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I just said that out loud. Creator rewards program, if 120,000 views, that'd be like 120 bucks. I only made 22 bucks profit. I don't think the bros want to get their girl a mirror. Their mirror is totally fine. I think this is more of a product that is going to appeal to girls. So I hit the wrong target audience on this one. So we posted a lot of them. And remember, some of these are flops, right? A lot of these, I didn't get any sales on anything, maybe 1 or 2 sold. Yeah, so this one did decent. Kind of decent. So I got 100,000 views. This is when I poured soda on my Cybertruck. I don't know if you guys saw that video. 400 bucks worth of product. We made a total of, yeah, almost $60 in profit. Now, what I realized was the winning product that I was doing in the Cybertruck was the Auto Sky adapter. And it did really well on this video, right? 125,000 views, 3.5 thousand in sales. That's what it should look like. Before, you know, once again on that little mirror, it was about the same amount of views, but sales wise, what did I get? What, 200 bucks in sales? That was booty. This got 3K, made 500 bucks in commission. That's, now we're talking, all right, that's a lot better. That's a lot better. So 60 items sold. This was a mid-tier ticket item, so like what, 50 bucks a pop? Yeah, not too shabby. 500 bucks on this one video, and it only 120,000 views. Dude, if this hit 1 million, that'd be like 5 grand. Oh my gosh, if this hit 1 million views, it would have been 5 grand. That would have been so nice. So yeah, I found it, right? The point is, I've had to test like what works inside of the Cybertruck, and this product seems to work amazing. So this was the video. What can you do inside of a Cybertruck? Well, let me show you. Yeah, so in the video, I pretty much like, I start out inside the Cybertruck, and then you can see I'm showing off. I'm like, yo, Cybertruck has Netflix, YouTube. I kind of flexed a little bit. And then I'm like, yo guys, and I hop into my Corvette, which can't do anymore. Crap, man. Oh, I didn't think about that. This was the winning product for the Cyber. Oh, I hope my baby's back soon. But anyways, you can see I pretty much just started out with the Cybertruck as the hook, and then I moved into the Corvette. So yeah, this one video, 500 bucks profit, Auto Sky adapter. Every single time I do that one, like this, 8,000 views, but almost 200 bucks in sales. So it shows you it's all about the product and it's all about the deal. Because in this video, for example, I talked about how it's usually 70 bucks. It just came down to 55, the cheapest you can buy it anywhere. When you emphasize the deal, if it's a good product, good deal, you explain it well, it'll convert well. I've probably posted on the Cybertruck specifically, maybe 10 or 15 videos so far. We've made about 1,000 bucks. So yeah, we're gonna be on track to at least pay the thing off this month, which is nice. Remember, all we're waiting for is 1 or 2 videos to go viral. If you post 100 videos a month, but throughout the month, if you can have, you know, a handful go semi-viral, a couple 100,000 views, and only 3, 4, 5 of them hit over 1 million, like you're completely set. So with the Cybertruck, I know that I'm just gonna keep testing products with it, see which ones convert the best. For example, this mirror, ow, man, you're gonna mess with my nose job. What I was trying to say was this mirror, it's not a good product for the Cybertruck. It's just not gonna convert that well. The point I'm making is test a bunch of different products, see which ones convert the best, and then double down on those. Find products that work for you, that's the key. If you need more tutorials, you don't understand how to set up an account, how to do a good hook, TikTok Mastery. We just revamped the entire course, 12 hours of brand new content. We just added last week. So make sure to join in. We've got a ton of things coming. Appreciate you guys tuning in. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace, peace.